Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can leave a review on Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, as always, you need to open the Temu app. So once your Temu app gets all heated up, it will open and redirect you to its homepage. Now to leave a review, all you need to do is click on a product and go through it. You can see that there are several reviews written about the product. However, if you have to write a review on the particular product, you need to first purchase the product. If you haven't purchased the product, you can't leave any review on Temu. You can just scroll down through the reviews of the items left by other buyers. So if you are a potential buyer and you are going to buy the product, then only you can get a review button on Temu. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.